Alright, Star, 1800-2024, Algebra 1 with logs by Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. Video number 35, Giant College Algebra Final Review, 05-31-24. Find the quadratic function with the vertex of that, -2, -6, and gets to the point 0, -2. Okay, before we do this, you need money for tuition, fees, books, college stuff like that. Walmart is 24 hours, open 24 hours, great boss, great work, great food. You can work there, get lots of money if you want to. But let's say you have lots of money, you don't need it. So let's do this. So first thing, I'm going to use this formula here. A times x plus b squared plus c. That's a variation of it. So I know that at 2, you get -6 from the vertex, right? See, at 2, opposite of this, and the -6 on the outside. Now, we also know that at 0, you're going to get -2. So you put 0 in for the x. It's all equal to what? -2. So now, 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 squared means 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times that is 4a minus 6 equals this. Add 6, add 6, so 4a equals 4. Divide by 4, divide by 4. And of course, yes, these will cancel. Yes, of course, they're gone. And now we have a is 1. So a is 1, replace it. So 1 times x plus 2 squared minus that. And x plus 2 times x plus 2 is x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So that's going to be x squared plus 4x plus 4. 1 times that, same thing. 1 times that is 4. 1 times that is 4. But we have 1x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 6. 1x squared, just then 1x squared. That's x squared. Plus 4x and minus 2. That's it, we're done. Okay. And again, if you go swimming at night, remember that. Sharks sleep at night, so you're safe. Okay. All right. Find the max. Okay, so the max. I'm not going to graph it, but what I'm going to do is, first of all, since this is a negative, that means the graph opens down like this. So we're going to find the vertex of this. Vertex is going to be negative b over 2a, f of negative b over 2a. So there's a, b, c. Put the numbers we need. Negative of b, negative of 8 over 2 times -2. Same thing over here. Negative by negative is a positive. Right? No, you don't know that? Okay, fine. Let me show you how to do that. Negative 8. Let's do that. Let's just do it this way. Negative 8 divided by negative 4. Negative by negative. Oh, it's a positive 2. Hey. You can use graphing calculator. It'll help. So now we have 2 and f of 2. How do you find f of 2? Put the 2 in there for the original problem, this one here. So negative of 2 squared, 8 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, times that is negative 8. That's 16 minus 2. There's going to be 8 minus 2 is 6. So at 2, 6 is the what? That's the max. It goes like this. I'm not drawing, it looks like this, and 2, 6 is right there. That's the vertex, okay? Without graphing it, of course. Domain, all the real numbers like this. Range goes from negative infinity to 6. It stops right there. Okay. The max is 6. What does it happen to? It goes up to where? 6. So the max is 6 of this. Got it? All right. Oh, what is this? So if you have y equals x to the 4th power, okay, like this. So now, but I don't want that one. That's the old one. I want the new one. The new one is this one here. 4 minus parentheses x minus the 4. So this is the one I want to use. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to set my windows. Let's do the windows first. Okay. So windows, it's not what I want. Let's just change this one here to negative 16 and 16. Did they match now? Yes. Same thing. Y, I'm going to put in 4 minus parentheses x minus 3 to the power of 4. Okay, does it look like this one? Yeah. Okay, so now I'm ready to graph. Ready? Hit graph. There we go. So now, to get some points for this guy, you can go to second and table. And the numbers are -1. Let's go to 1. Let's move it down here. Here we go. Okay, there we go. So at 1, you get -12. See up here? 1, negative 12. And at 2, you get 3. And at 3, you get 4. And at 4, you get 3. And then at 5, you get what? Negative 12. There you are, right there. This is the graph. Original one was this one. Or, if you want more details on it. So, this graph, x to the 4th, should be horizontally shifted. Okay? This way. To the right, 3 units. This way. And reflected about the x-axis. Means around this way. Flip it around like that. And shift it vertically up. Okay? So, original one. What are you going to do? Move it. Shift it around the vertical like that. Okay, so this is a new one anyway. But we did it, of course, on the machine, which is what you should do. Alright. Graph this. I would just put this in the calculator. Set the points in there and let the machine do it for you, okay? That's the easiest way I can think. And again, the windows. In fact, let's do that right now. Windows. Negative 10, 10, negative 12, and 12. And y is going to be, what is it? It's going to be x, parentheses, x plus 3, close it, parentheses, x plus 4. And then, there it goes. Does it look like this one? Yeah, there it goes. Okay. And you can get some points too if you want. Table. Negative 5, move it up here, close to negative 5. Negative 5 and negative 10, negative 4, 0. Other points. Good enough. Okay. Example is the path of a shark swims. The path a shark swims to join you for lunch. Trying to find you. Find the potential rational zeros. Oof. Possible ones, huh? Get the last numbers, 13. Look at the first number, 169. So last number is 13, plus or minus 13, and plus or minus 169. So all the factors of 13 are 13 and 1. Factors of 169, 169, 13 and 1. So now all the combinations of this are going to be the possible rational roots of this guy. So it could be plus or minus 1 over 1, plus or minus 13 over 1, plus or minus 1 over 13, plus or minus 1 over 169. And this reduces to plus or minus 1, plus or minus 13, plus or minus 1 over 13, plus or minus 1 over 16. Or you can say a negative 1, positive 1, negative 13, positive 13, negative 1 over 13, positive 1 over 13, negative 1 over 69, and positive 1 over 69. These are all the possible rational roots of that guy. Find the zeros of this. Set it equals 0. And look at the last number. 6 over 1, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 1. Another thing I just saw, plus or minus 3 is in there too. Hey, plus or minus 3 is missing. Can't throw that one away. And plus or minus 3 in there over 1. So that's going to give you plus or minus 3 also. There we go. So now all these are possible. But what? I'm going to try negative 1. Negative 1 in synthetic division. So I'm going to put 1 down here. Negative 1 to the negative 1. Negative 2 minus 1 is 1. And that turns out is 1, negative 1. That's going to be negative 6. That turns out is positive 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So that is a root. There it is. That's a 0 right there. Now, I have this left over. X squared plus x minus 6. Factor that out. Because if I factor it out, let's see. X times x, x squared. Negative 2 times that, negative 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. This matches this. So we have x minus 2 equals 0. Plus 2, x equals 2. Plus 3 minus 3, so x equals negative 3. So we have 2, we have negative 3. That's it. We're done. So negative 1, we have 2, and we have negative 3. Negative 3, negative 1, 2. That's it. Those zeros. Okay. Solve the complex number in a complex number system. All right, quadratic formula. Same thing. Put the numbers A, B, C in there. But now, notice this, what's going to happen. Negative is positive. That's fine. And this is going to give you negative is positive 100 minus that. Oh, negative 36. Well, square root of negative 36. What is that? In complex numbers, square root of negative 1 is I. So negative 4 is 2i, 3i, 4i, so on. So we do have a negative 36. So it's going to be what? 6i. That's what we're going to put in there. So we have 40. We have positive 10 over 2, and you have 6 over 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we're either going to have 5 plus 3i, and we have 5 minus 3. You don't need the plus sign. 5 plus 3i, 5 minus 3i. Those are the answers in the complex numbers. Oh, find the zeros in the complex number system again. All right. Look at all the positive numbers. 13, 39, 13, 1. All the positive numbers are these. So, and I just saw another one that I didn't stick in there. I bet you could put in even plus or minus 3 goes in there too, over 1. And plus or minus 3. But it doesn't matter. We're not going to use it because we're going to use, we are going to use, see the 3? I was missing. So 3 is in there. Synthetic division, put it down here. That's going to be 3. Negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. That's negative 18. And that's going to give you 13. And that's going to be 39 minus 39 is 0. But again, you can't factor this one. So, and yes, the 3 was necessary. See, I jumped it. But now we have it. So now ABC, quadratic formula, set it up. So we have plus or minus 6, negative 6, negative 6, 36 minus 52. And that's going to be a negative 16. Again, that's complex numbers. So that's going to be 4i right here. So 6, negative 6, 6 plus or minus 4i over 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. So 3 plus or minus 2i. That's it. So we have 3 minus 2i, 3 plus 2i. Yes. Look at the last number, the first number, all the factors. Graph this. Yes, you can put it in the calculator. And what's going to happen once you put that in there in your calculator, you're going to find out that it's going to go this way. That one, and it's going to go this way. And then it's going to be undefined right here. Right there, it'll be undefined. Okay. Can you put it in the calculator? The answer is yes, of course. Of course you can. So let's do Windows here. Okay, ready? All right, let's put in the calculator. Windows, so they're all right. Let me see. 10, 10, 12. Yeah, that's okay. And now put Y. 1 divided by X. 1 divided by X. Is that it? Yes. So now hit graph. There it goes. See? It goes this way. And it goes that way. And it's undefined right there. Because if you put a 0, 1 over 0, undefined. So this part is undefined. Everything else is fine. It goes this way and that way. Got it? I think so. The reciprocal function, huh? Find the vertical, horizontal, obliques. All right. To find the vertical, set the bottom denominator equal to 0. X plus 12 minus 12 minus 12. So x equals negative 12. That's the vertical. That's on top of this. The highest power on the top and the bottom is x to the 1, x to the 1. So right here, this is this one here. Reduce this, simplify a little bit. It's going to cancel out. So you have 10 over 1 is 10. So y equals 10 is the horizontal asymptote. Also notice, because since the highest power on top and the highest power on the bottom, denominator and numerator is the same, there is no oblique. So it has a vertical, x equals negative 12, horizontal. That's it. Vertical and x equals negative 12, horizontal, y equals 10, no oblique. All right, let's go next one. Good, that's it. Good song. Math is fun. Yes, I say so. Yes, it is. And keep going. Oh, there's a surfboard right there. Hey, go out there swimming after you do this. You review Mustang Island, have fun, or lots of money. Go to Hawaii, go to Hawaiian stuff out there. 45 for waves, North Shore. Math monsters. Nope, math is fun. Oh, this is pretty scary. 7. 7, they're still scary. How about numbers? 7, 7, 9, that's scary. How about crunchy 1? Yeah, that's pretty scary. How about crunchy 2 and crunchy 3? Yeah, it's pretty scary still. Anyway, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck. Again, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck on your college algebra final review. Giant. Again, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck on your final exam review. And I will talk to you later. Thank you. Bye. Later.